Teacher, you help me to sing, because the children are very observant. Okay. Bayang magiliw. Ready? Sing. Bayang magiliw. First na silanganan. Alap ng puso. Sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang inirap. Duyan ka ng magiting. Sa manlulupin. Di ka masisig. Sa dagat at bundok. Sa simoy at sa langit mo'y bukha. May dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang dilag ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na naghihingi. Ang bituin at araw ng kailan pag may magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng hating pagsinta. Buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang ligaya ng pagmay mga api. Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Okay? Panatang mga bayan tayo. Okay? Next meeting, I will discuss that when we do like this. Okay? Okay? Shoulder level and then close finger. You do like this, oh. Shoulder level and then close fingers. Hindi na kaganyan. Kasi close talaga. Close, stand up. Okay? Lily. Okay, it's okay, Lily. You are trained us. Okay, ready? Okay, ready. Panatang makabayan, iniibig ko ang Pilipinas, aking lupang sinilangan, tahanan ng aking lahi, kinukupa ko at tinutulungan, maging malakas, masipag at marangal, dahil mahal ko ang Pilipinas. Dinigin ko ang payo ng aking magulang, susundin ko ang tuntunin ng paral, tutuparin ko ang tupulin ng mayang makabayan, naglilingkod, nag-aaral, nagdarasal ng buong katapatan, ialay ko ang aking buhay, pangarap, pagsikap sa bansang Pilipinas. Okay, let's have our exercise. Okay, continuation yan. Okay, set up. Okay, everybody. So, move. Here. Move. And then you move the chairs. Okay, so that you can move very well. Okay, backward. Okay. Are you ready, children? Akala ko may diaper. Sino pa kaya nagda-diaper dyan? Ito yung six. Nagda-diaper? Are you wearing? Okay. Ready? Hands on your waist. Okay, hands on your waist now.
Like this, yeah.
Hands on your waist. Naka-may one. Hands on your waist.
Very good.
Okay. Oh, Lily.
Very good.
Okay, are you ready? Look at teacher. Okay, let's have our head exercise or neck stretching. Okay, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, let's go to our shoulders. We have two shoulders, the right and the left. Okay, ready? Put your hands on your shoulders. Put your hands on your shoulders. Oh my, only good. How old are you? Okay, see. Ready? Now, shoulder rotation. Ready, go. Ikot-ikot lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. You are a good follower. Now, let's go to our arms. Okay, arms. Okay, the upper and the forearms. Okay, ready? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Now, put your hands on your waist. Okay. Ready? Okay. Now, bending tayo. Ready? Go. 1. Straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, good follower talaga. Okay. Next, on your knees. Sieve.
Cebu.
Parang medyo ano to. Sieve. Okay, on your knees. Knees na, knees.
You follow the
Knees. Knees, knees, knees. Okay, rotation. Knee rotation. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Counterclockwise. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now, we need air. Okay, put your hands on your waist. Now, inhale. Sigot natin pa, pasok yung clean air. And then we have to exhale the bad air. Okay, ready? Go!